Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this video lecture series on advanced persistent threats, attribution and detection. So in today's lecture we will look into one of the popular attribution framework called atomic framework. So this atomic framework was considered to be one of the large scale clustering and APT attribution framework. So this was proposed by security firm called FireEye. So here the key problem is that security firms like FireEye and Recorded Future, so they go and investigate the many victim networks and they collect the indicators of compromise, and they used to group them together as a uncategorized intrusion sets at the initial stages. But they need to observe and analyze this thing for over a period of time to give a particular group name or to merge with these other APT actors. But here the issue is that over the period of time this uncategorized groups will increasingly pile up for analysis, and either they need to merge it or they need to assign a new group name to these uncategorized clusters. So, in order to address this issue, FireEye researchers proposed an automated framework with the help of machine learning models to perform investigation and analysis to identify or attribute the APTs behind this particular espionage. So the basic idea in this framework is that researchers has used TF-IDF algorithm for APT attribution or assigning their ranking for this unclustered groups. So basic working style of this TF-IDF algorithm is that this is called as a term frequency and inverse document frequency. So this algorithm assigns more importance to the term or to the word if that appears often in the unclustered group. Similarly, if the term or the word is quite common across all the unclustered groups, then it will decrease its importance. So the basic underlying thing is that this method favors the unique terms or the malware families which appear just in a few classes. At the same time, it will try to downplay the popular techniques that are used by the most of the hackers. So that means because of this TF-IDF algorithms, the security firms will get to know the unique tools, techniques, procedures that are used by these APT actors in this particular cyber espionage. So based on that thing, they will assign a score to these intrusion sets. Once they assign score to these intrusion sets, what they will do is they will try to map these intrusion sets to a vector form, and they will try to find out the cosine similarity between these uncategorized clusters in a vector form. So from this figure we will get to know that as the angle between these two vectors decreases, so they tend to become parallel, and the decrease in the angle helps the researchers to determine the extent of similarity between two different APT groups. So based on this idea, the FireEye has automated the whole process of APT attribution, and they used to merge these uncategorized clusters if they tend to close. The angle of difference between these two unclustered groups are very similar, so they used to merge them together. Otherwise, they used to assign a new name to these categorized clusters. So after analyzing for a period of time. So this is the high level idea of the atomic framework that is used by the FireEye security firm. So I hope you got a clear insights about this atomic framework. So we will stop looking at the APT attribution methods, and then we will jump into the APT detection methods in the upcoming lectures. So feel free to drop me a mail, or in case if you have queries, please do ping me. So thank you.